Welcome back to T-Auto, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial components under your hood, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor. This tiny part plays a huge role in your engine's performance. We'll break down the symptoms of a bad MAF sensor, where to find it, and how much a replacement might cost. So buckle up, let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on smart car tips. First up, let's go through the most common signs that your MAF sensor might be failing. Number 1, check engine light turns on. Your car's engine control module constantly monitors all sensors. If the MAF sensor starts sending false readings, the check engine light will often light up. But keep in mind, not every faulty MAF triggers the light, so it's just one clue. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes. Number 2, slow acceleration. If your car feels sluggish and struggles to gain speed, a bad MAF sensor might be messing up the air-fuel mixture. That delay? It's your engine choking on bad data. Number 3, hesitation or jerky acceleration. Feeling jolts when accelerating? It could mean the MAF is causing the mix to run too lean or too rich, affecting ignition. Number 4, hard starting. A cold start should be smooth. But if your car cranks a lot or stalls in the morning, the air-fuel mix might be off, and the MAF sensor could be the reason. Number 5, black smoke from the exhaust. See thick black smoke? That usually means too much fuel is being injected, a rich mixture. Not only does it waste gas, it can damage your catalytic converter. Number 6, rough idle. An erratic idle or stalling while stopped could point to incorrect airflow readings. Another sign that the MAF isn't doing its job. Number 7, engine misfires. Misfires happen when the fuel doesn't ignite properly. If the air-fuel ratio is way off, your engine will stutter and throw out misfire codes too. Number 8, changed fuel consumption. More fuel stops than usual, or weirdly, fewer? A bad MAF sensor can swing your fuel economy in either direction, often at the cost of performance or long-term engine health. Wondering where this little troublemaker hides? The MAF sensor is usually located between your air filter box and the throttle body, mounted on the intake hose. Different manufacturers place it differently, so if you're unsure, check your repair manual or look up a photo for your specific model online. Before you replace anything, diagnose it right. MAF sensors aren't always cheap. Step 1, connect an OBD2 scanner and read the live data. At idle, your MAF reading should be near 0. As you rev the engine, the number should rise. If it stays flat, drops suddenly, or doesn't change, it's time to take a closer look. Step 2, unplug the MAF sensor and inspect the connector for corrosion or dirt. Step 3, check the wiring, and if everything looks okay, consider cleaning the MAF sensor using proper cleaner spray. Sometimes, cleaning it can solve the problem. But if not, a replacement might be your best bet. So how much will a new MAF sensor cost you? Parts typically range from $100 to $400 depending on the vehicle. Labor can run between $40 and $150. So in total, you're looking at $140 to $550. The good news? Replacing the MAF sensor is usually super easy, often just 1 or 2 screws and a plug. If you're a bit handy, you can do it yourself in 10 minutes. There you have it, everything you need to know about spotting, diagnosing, and replacing a bad mass airflow sensor. If your car has been acting strange, don't ignore the signs. A bad MAF sensor can lead to expensive engine damage down the line. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Drop your questions in the comments below. We read everyone. And remember to subscribe to T-Auto for more car repair insights and maintenance tips.